was for breakfast. Smells interesting. I can't see what it is. Maybe I'll just go and get a closer look. Ah! Sweetie Belle! Pick that up this instant. Sweetie Belle! Smells disgusting. What is this, Rarity? It's delicious vegetable stew. I think you will love it. Ew, I hate it. Why can't there be cereal? Cereal's not good to have every day, dear. Vegetable stew is so healthy, you can't even imagine how healthy it is. It's not fair. Okay, Sweetie Belle, can you just give me the bowl? Fine. Thank you very much. I have an idea. Come on. Oh, who could that be? Yes. Hello, is there anybody there? Oh, rude. Well, I might as well get on with my cooking. Finally, it's done. Sweetie Belle, your beautiful vegetable stew is ready. I think you'll love it. Of course I would, Rarity. I love everything that you cook. Well, I thought a minute ago you said you don't want vegetable stew. Well, I was only joking. I really want vegetable stew. Oh well, there you go. Enjoy. Delicious. Sweetie Belle, can I try some? No, it's for me only. Sweetie Belle, don't be rude. Okay, fine. There. Water!